Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bacon biltong, step by step. First, select a high-quality piece of pork belly, ideally weighing around 2 pounds for the best results. Next, prepare your curing mixture using a precise blend of salt, sugar, and your favorite spices, such as coriander and black pepper. Thoroughly rub this mixture all over the pork belly, ensuring every surface is covered. Then, place the seasoned meat into a sealed bag and refrigerate it for 3 to 5 days to allow the curing process to work its magic. After the curing period, it is time to rinse the pork belly under cold running water to remove any excess curing mixture. This step is crucial for balancing the flavor. Following the rinse, pat the meat completely dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of good biltong. Now, prepare a flavorful marinade using ingredients like vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, and additional spices to enhance the taste. Submerge your cured pork belly in this marinade for at least 4 to 6 hours, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. Once marinated, remove the pork belly and pat it dry again. This second drying step is important before hanging. Now, find a suitable location for drying your bacon biltong. It needs to be a well-ventilated area with consistent airflow to ensure even drying. Maintain a steady temperature, ideally between 60 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and keep humidity levels low, preferably below 60%. Proper environmental control is key to preventing spoilage and achieving that perfect biltong texture. Finally, allow your bacon biltong to dry for approximately 5 to 7 days. The exact time will depend on the thickness of your pork belly and your desired firmness. You will know it is ready when it feels firm to the touch but still retains a slight pliability. Once dried to perfection, slice the bacon biltong thinly against the grain for the best eating experience. Store your delicious homemade bacon biltong in an airtight container, where it will remain fresh for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.